You're watching your best friend, Crystal J. Hey you guys, it's your girl Crystal J here with another video. Right now I'm getting my sew in with the beauty hair online Aliexpress vendor. So I wanted you guys to see the initial, like the real initial me getting my hair done process. Right now I'm getting the 18-inch sewn in. It is super soft. I love this hair. I don't know how many times I'm gonna tell you guys. I love beauty hair online. No, beauty online hair vendor, Aliexpress. And before anybody come in or ask me, she must be getting paid. No, I am not getting paid. If I was getting paid, I would most definitely let my CJs know that, because I call you guys my best friend. So I want you guys to love the hair. I want you guys to have a good experience. I'm not going to review something that I do not 100% stand by. Like, that's not who I am. And like I said, I'm still rocking this hair. This hair is so soft. It's easy to match. If you know how to take care of weave, this is the hair for you. You see, it's looking good, right? This right here is the 16-inch that she is now demonstrating to you guys. So now I'm pulling my hair, and still no strands, no shedding, and that is 14-inch. Once again, this hair is beauty online. You can find this vendor on Aliexpress.com. And you guys, do you not see how pretty it's looking before she curls it? Unfortunately, you're not going to see her curl my hair because the camera died. But I will upload a picture. I want to shout out my hairstylist, Corina, and you can find her on Instagram, whatever social media platform you're looking on, by Hair by Corina. So I will drop her link in the description below, because she slayed my hair, honey. And on top of that, I have a leave out, and I'm natural, so I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm going to show you guys some protective styles, why I keep this weave in, why not putting heat on my leave out and still looking popping. How I'm going to do that? You got to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And guess what? New videos every Tuesday at 4 o'clock.